Hi, it's Chris. Today I'm going to show you how to install a new water temperature selector switch in your Whirlpool built washer. It's a very easy repair and I'll take you through the steps. To change the next part, we need to access the back of the machine. So I'm going to just turn the machine around and move the back panel so you can see where we're going to next. I'm just going to put down a little bit of a drop cloth and something to hold the screws. The back panel comes off with just some 1/4-inch screws. I'll just remove those screws and take the back panel out of the way. These are all the same screws, so there's no worry about mixing them up. It's just a 1/4-inch sheet metal screw. And we'll remove this cover plate held by one screw just to make it a little easier to remove everything. I'll just set that to one side. All the screws are out of our back panel now. We'll just remove it from the machine and set it on our drop cloth. So now we're going to be changing our water temperature switch. And to do so, we need to remove the knob. Just apply a little bit of pressure, pulling outwards, and the knob slips right off. With that removed, we go back to the back side of the machine. This is our switch here that we're changing. So now we want to remove our wiring harness that goes to the switch. And you can see this black harness runs from this switch over to this switch as well. It's only this one that we're concerned with today. So we're just going to move our fingers in behind the harness and give it a wiggle, and it pops right out of the switch. Now to remove the switch, it's very easy. You can see there's a locking tab here just above my finger. Just go to give that a little pull and rotate that switch clockwise, and you can see just how easy it pops out of place. We'll discard that switch. We'll bring in our new switch, and it's just the reverse. We just go to install it into the hole, rotate it till it snaps, just like that. Reinstall our electrical harness just by pushing it into place. We'll put our knob back on, line up our flat spot on the shaft with the flat spot on our switch. Push our knob into place, check to make sure it works. Now we'll just put the back panel on, reattach the screws. So we just put our screws back into place. Now you're all set to reconnect your machine, the power and the water, and your repair will be complete.